If you want to send emails towards the user, you also need to make sure that the user has opted in for email. You can do that in a few various ways. The first one will be inside the flow builder, where we can do it in two ways. The first one will be through an action node, and then go to basic actions and set email opt-in option. By this, you have requested the user for that email. You can also opt the user out the same way by going to the basic actions and then set email opt-out. The second way would be to insert a question node and then go to email type while asking the user for the email by entering the question here. You can also enable auto option for the email. Soon as the user gives their email, we will also automatically opt them in for the email itself. Another option would be to go with bot users. Use the checkbox to select a bot user of bot. Users then go to the top right with bulk action, and from here you can also set the email opt-in and their email opt-out. That's it for the video. Subscribe to our channel to get updated on more ihakimi tutorial videos.